Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally got an order of these really beautiful cords, so I decided to make this diamond shaped coaster out of it. Now it's a little bit different because usually the square knots in a normal square coaster would go vertically, whereas this one's going diagonally. And I just think the whole thing is beautiful. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more stuff from me. Let's go. Okay, so I've attached all of the cords to a knitting needle. Now they are going from the outside is the smallest cords all the way into the middle with the longest cords. Now at the very center you'll have two cords here. They are 40 centimeters each, but you can just do one in 80 centimeters and then fold it over. Didn't realize that when I was cutting them, and then just attach it like a normal lark's head knot. So what we're going to do, because the longest cords are going to be used the most, that's why they're in the center, and then working your way outwards. So we're going to use these two pieces as the working cords just to create a border. And we'll be using a double half hitch. For now, we're just going to move in one direction, and then we'll take those cords off and work in the other direction because we want it to be a nice 45-degree angle. So it can be quite tight just to get a nice straight line, because once these are taken off, they will eventually become the fringe, so that's around about the right length. So what we're going to do here is we'll slide everything down, but we want to leave this first cord that we've still got to use for the working cord in this section. We want to leave that still attached. And it just slid off the end. Okay. And then we bring it back down. So just sort of fold these other cords under because we don't want them getting mixed up. And then start working on the half hitch knots going in the other direction. From here, you can just slide all of that off, and then taking the section. So cords didn't want to play the game, so I just tucked the two loops from the first two cords that we'll be using over the top and taped the other cords down just to help give it a shape and keep everything in the sort of the same place. So starting off, we'll take the first two cords in the very center and make a square knot, and from there we'll start working our way down with alternating square knots and including the next two cords in each row. So you can see for this second row, we're just adding the second cords in. And then the next two. So I did an extra row like I was meant to with the cords, but it's going to be a little bit larger than I imagined, so I've just taken off the end cords, the shortest ones, and I'm just going to start bringing it back in now. So I'm just taking the tape off of these two working cords and put it over the end little loops from where we were first attaching to these cords. It just helps so that as we're bringing these two working cords back in to finish off the shape, you can pull a little bit on the tension and it's not going to move. Okay, so I've just taken everything off and now trimming the loops so we can brush them out nicely. Now it's really up to you which direction you would like the frills to go. I'm sort of gonna want it to go in all directions. So from here I'm just gonna start trimming it down. When you are trimming, just don't do it too short to start off with. Do it a little bit longer and that way you can always take it in a bit if you want to later on. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, give it a thumbs up down the bottom and don't forget to subscribe for more stuff from me. See ya!